Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and that's my turntable. And that's a piece of acetate that I cut to protect it. But it's what I had handy when I had all my leftover pillow paint from doing a bloom yesterday. And although I'm going to flip it over, I've taken some pictures and I'm going to save it. I have a 12-inch round canvas. I have some more pillow paint, which is nothing more than latex white house paint. I believe it's a semi-gloss. It's probably a Walmart product. I just as soon not use too much, but it's par for the course. I managed to not misuse it too much yesterday, not make too much of a mess. I just did a painting where I really enjoyed using my greens. And I think I'm going to do it again right now. I have this weird green from Golden. I'm not sure what color it is. Somebody gave it to me. Thank you, Kim. I have some Golden Hour from Arteza, which is a metallic, or a pearl, I guess. I have some Artist Loft. Ooh, it's closed. Artist Loft Cobalt Blue, which I will get open. A little bit of Deco Art Metallic. I think it's Deco Art Americana, to tell you the truth. I want some purple in there. This is an amethyst from Artist Loft. I'm not sure what this is, but it's got golden iridescent pearl fine in it. To make it pearly. I didn't use any of the hot orchid, and I think I'm going to. Last but not least, Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold everywhere. Then I'm going to use my Aussie Floetrol with the Amsterdam Black cell activator. Whoops. Oh. Which I would definitely prefer not to waste. Wipe that off. I want to do some of the, actually, no, I can't do that yet. I want to do some black and some white, like I've been seeing Shelly Art do on her little Instagram quickies. Not sure how that's going to work, but I'm looking forward to trying it. Probably should have swiped through first, but that's kind of cool. I'm good with that. I have a small tool to do it again if I want to. Just going to scrape off all of that paint because I expect it to get used. I'm going to try the reverse. Put the white down first. Put the black on after. Wipe that off. I want something else over here, and I think it's going to have to be, strangely enough, some color shifting red and some more of the Prism Pour called Hot Orchid, and a little more gold. I was thinking about orange. I'm thinking about orange. Yes, I was. I was thinking about orange. I wonder why that keeps dripping over. Oh, that's nice. I think I will give myself one more chance to go here. And I wonder if you just use the cell activator, it ought to work on the gold. I think I got more pillow paint than I need, to tell you the truth. Putting those in the bucket. Give that a moment. I haven't tried to actually blow into one of these yet. I am going to try and spin this, which may or may not work well. Let's make sure it's right in the middle as best I can. I really like what I have without doing anything to it. If I need to make some adjustments, I have things to make adjustments. I'm liking all of that. That's pretty cool. That doesn't look like anything anybody else is doing. I've got all kinds of paint that I can put on my edges. I don't think I needed to do that, honestly. I'm going to put a little more cell activator right here in my tiny tool. And then I'm going to use my tiny tool to pick up the paint around the edge, push it back up onto the round, and it's working really well. So I'm going to put the tool video. That's a lot of paint. Okay, I don't really need to do that anywhere else, evidently, because it's all good. I can't torch because it's house paint. You can always put one single spiral in, except for I have to remember that being house paint, it always creates this little tail on it that I have to then stop with my fingers. Do I love this? Why does that remind me of some sort of chameleon? Well, in any case, I think I can take this away. Bring this back again. And zoom in. And I'm not going to complain about this because I like it a lot. If I need some more colors, I've got them all waiting for me on that turntable tile or top. All right, that's different and very cool. And I like it. Thank you for joining me. I'm in the spin. Well, I'm trying anyway. So far, so good. It's early days experiments for me, I'm afraid. I love you guys. Thank you for the wonderful comments that help keep me painting all the time. And thank you for the donations that do the same. Your comments are very morale boosting and I appreciate that. My Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is under the video. It's a blue link. You will find Facebook groups there, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. Find my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and more Facebook groups. Underneath the link tree, you'll find my email address should you happen to be interested in purchasing an artwork or contacting me with questions about taking a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Just use that email. It's easpb, the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com. I also give lessons. Did I just say that? I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Duh. My usual paint pouring recipe is under most of the videos. I'm not so sure it'll be under the bloom. Actually, all the colors are mixed with my regular recipe. There's nothing special about them. They're not extraordinary. The pillow paint is, as I said at the beginning of the video, just latex semi-gloss from Walmart. If you like what I do, please share it, watch it longer, watch it when the notifications come out, and thank you very much for the thumbs up. Really helps if you make a comment. Really appreciate all your help. If you want to help me out even more, shop my Amazon link, and my 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, and my Amazon link is on the link tree. If you have questions, feel free to ask me. If you're looking for some high-end clothing, check out the top link on the link tree. That's Le Gallerist, and that's clothing made in Montreal, beautiful dresses and kimono tops. If you're looking for less expensive but still all over print, look for the spring clothing below the video. If you click on any of them, it will bring you to my store, and you'll see lots and lots of cool stuff there. Pinterest and Instagram. Also sell clothing and yoga mats and coffee mugs and shower curtains. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me, and you can have the duvet cover of your choice. If you can't find it there, I can add it as long as I've made a video of it. And there's already 1,500 items there, so you'll probably have a blast just checking it out. My community board has tomorrow's video. I have over 2,100 videos going on 2,200 videos, and they are organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. If you cannot find what you are looking for, please ask me. I have everything ready for you, and I will give it to you happily. I want you guys to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I love you. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.